Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today we will learn about image actions in Titan Flow. Titan Flow has four image actions: image resize, watermark, which allows you to add text watermarks to images, compression, and image conversion. Over here, I have a simple flow project set up with just two variables. Both of them are file variables. One is going to be my input image, and one will be the output. Over here, I also have a Salesforce integration to push the final result into Salesforce, but we don't have to worry about that. Between these two, we will be placing our image actions. So if we add a new node here and head over to image, we have our four image options. I will start with image resize. For file in, I'm going to select my input image. Now over under width and height, we can select either fields and select parameters from our project, but I'm going to select static, and I'm going to set this as 200 by 150. Now I'm going to tick keep ratio, which will try to fit as much of the image as possible within these boundaries while keeping the image ratio. And for file out, I'm going to select output image. Let's just call this resize image. And we can connect this to our output node. So let's go ahead and publish this project. And if we head over to a web project, you see I have here a web project with a file uploader and a button. Let's configure the button and let's add here flow. We'll select our flow. And for our input image, I'm going to select field and our file uploader. So we can save and preview this. So I have this image over here, and this image is 1024 by 1024. So let's upload it and call our flow. If we check out Salesforce, we should see our resized image. So let's head back into Titan Flow, and we can remove this node and add a different image node. This time let's do watermark. So once again, for file in, I'm going to select my input image, and for file out, the output. And over here, we can set some settings. So for watermark text, I'm going to write watermark. For font size, let's make this 120. Let's make it big. For color, let's make it bright red. Opacity 100%, and I'm going to place it in the middle of the photo. So insert that. We can hook it up and publish again. And now we can just go back to our web project and call the flow again. And there it is, our image with our bright red watermark in the middle. So let's continue with this. And let's go ahead and select image compression. Once again, input and output. And for quality, I'm going to put in 50 to reduce it by 50%. And once again, we can publish this and call our flow. Now I'll just go ahead and check the size of the original image, which is 1.95 megabytes. And you can see we have a 481 kilobyte image, and if we open it, we can clearly see some compression. And back over here once again, this time let's do conversion. So my image is of type PNG, so I'm going to select input image, and this time let's output it as JPEG. And once again, output for output. And again, we can save and publish and call our flow. And there it is, the image as JPEG. And that's how it's done.